Alright, dude, hop in.
Here, you take this.
Okay.
I'm just gonna, I'll go myself.
What are you talking about? You're gonna walk all the way there?
It's whatever, dude.
Don't rain on me. Don't rain on me.
Get out of the car.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright. No, don't put them on my car. Okay. Just put them under it. Don't put them in my car either. Put them.
Why not?
Put them right there.
We're gonna forget them. Dude, you know me. Come on. Let's go
Are
catch
you
some
ready?
fish.
Come on. Come on.
Good cast. I got one. Oh, it's red. There's another red one. We'll throw it back in. Try and catch a bigger fish. Look at them. They're curious.
Look at your feet. They're like green and you've only been in there for a second.
The key to fishing is being stealthy. Oh, I think he's gonna go for it. If all else fails, you can try fly fishing. Dude, I'm fucking scared.
Go ahead.
I don't think it'll go off underwater.
You said it would. That's why we brought
Well,
them.
I thought these were different ones. Gotta catch.
Go.
I'll dry it out. Pick me up! This is how you fish!
Hey, hey.
No, I was stuck.
And reel it back in.
Shut up, you mutt. Shit. Oh, dude, I have one.
Stick. A stick got caught in your algae.
Look, Mom.
Come on.
Caught one.
No, you didn't. It's algae again.
Caught another green motherfucker. Just gotta get this off my rod.
Do you do this often? If you did catch a fish, how would you get it off, Aiden? Would you use your hands? Do you know how to do that?
I think I just poke them off.
Go ahead, cast again.
I caught more green. Dragonfly! Oh, dragonfly!
Done.
Oh, I got a green one!